they have these fancy, twitchy face noodles? Today, I'll tell you all about our whiskers. These are whiskers, also called vibrissae. Fun fact number 1. Whiskers are super sensitive. They're connected to special nerves that help me feel the world even in the dark. Did you know whiskers can fall out sometimes? But don't panic, it's totally normal. Fun fact number 2. A full-grown whisker takes about 2 to 3 months to grow back. So next time you find a whisker on the couch, just know I'm growing a fresh new one. They also help me detect movement. Even tiny vibrations in the air like a sneaky toy mouse don't stand a chance. Fun fact number 3. I even have whiskers above my eyes and on my legs. These are called carpal whiskers. When I walk through tight spaces, my whiskers help me measure if I can fit. They're like my own furry measuring tape. Fun fact number 4. Whiskers are usually as wide as my body, so if they don't fit, I probably won't either. Remember, never cut a cat's whiskers. That's like blindfolding us. We need them to explore safely. Bonus tip. Use shallow plates or wide bowls instead of deep ones. It helps avoid whisker fatigue. That's when our sensitive whiskers get overstimulated. Not fun. So now you know my whiskers are way more than stylish face decorations. They help me stay safe and hunt like a pro. Tell me in the comments, did you know whiskers could do all that? Thanks for watching.